Hey guys, oh my gosh, I'm super sorry about part 3s, but at least we're like close for getting our slime activated with no activator for real. Okay, so you guys should be at the part where it's on your hands. So you're gonna get it all off your spoon and get it all out of your bowl like that. And not really all of the powder though, like just the part that has the lotion like stick to it a little. So it should like feel and look like yeah. Should be really sticky. Oh no. Oh, it's okay, yeah. Okay. Should be really sticky. But coming together slowly. And then you're gonna like mix it together in your hand. Add powder if you need to add powder. So this is like the sticky version of it. And if you want like really soft and easy fun without sticking to your hands, you add like a little bit of the powder. So that's what I did for my purple one. So if I can like get my purple one right here, activate it all back up. So as you guys can see with my purple one, it's like soft and fun to play with, but I'm just like activating it a little bit. But this one is like sticky and still fun to play with. I like, which one are you? Sticky and friendly or soft and friendly? I'll go with both. This one's like really thin though, and this one's like really thick inside. So if I try to stretch it, it'd be a really good stretch. And it won't break like that fast as the stretchy one would. So like if I roll it up into this, it won't be like as sticky, but it will be fun. Just give it a big roll there and then stretch. It's a fun little stretch, and then it like break like slowly and itty bitty. So that's like the purple one that I made, and here's the sticky one that I made. Yeah. And if you want to add more, you can just like repeat the step, but it will take a little bit longer. I just made like a small version to show you guys. And then this is the stretch of this one. It's also like a little bit of that. Yeah. It's like really fun and stretchy and really good. It won't really stick to anything. And add color if you want to add color, guys. No one's stopping to add color. So bye, and that's how you make like my sticker version and my soft version.